All right, today I'm going to be changing the battery for a 2002 Volkswagen Jetta. This key fob is the same from 99 to 2005, and then they changed it to this model. They look almost identical, except for the newer model has the little indicator light here. If you have the older model, the indicator light will be here. So they're very different to change the battery. So let's jump on this. This is going to be pretty straightforward. You flip the key open, you find the seam right here, and you gently pry the key apart. And then, there it goes. Yeah, you can pry. I'm just trying not to damage the plastic here. But you can pry, pull, it comes apart. The battery's in this side. Then this corner right here where the key rests, there's a little protective seal in here. So we want to avoid damaging that. And so I'm putting the screwdriver right in here and I'm prying, and this is starting to lift up. And then I'll hold it and then I'll continue to pry and pop it open. Our battery's right here. There's a little slot for a small screwdriver right there. That pops out. This battery is a CR 2032. So you can see there. When you go to put your new battery in, the plus sign goes down like that. Then we put this back together like so. Make sure that there's that seal I was talking about is all around this edge. You want to try to not break that. And then you press all four corners, pops in. You'll see that little red light working. And that pops together, and that's how you change key for a Volkswagen. This is the same for the 99 to 2005 Jetta, Passat, GTI, all the Mark IVs from that era use this key. If you want to know how to do the newer key, I also have that video. You can check that out. I'll put a link that'll pop up right here, up in this corner, and that's it. And then I'll have a link for the battery in the description. Subscribe. We'll see you next time.